Hi guys, hope you're all doing well out there today. Got some Ollie's stash ads. Got the 1940 Ford Coupe. Really digging these Coca-Cola kits. They're neat. I've got just about all of them. There's a Dodge Dakota truck that I got to get yet at Ollie's. They got several of them, and then they got that Volkswagen, but I don't like that Volkswagen just because the body isn't right. It's shortened up in the back, and it just looks weird. But so that one I'm probably gonna pass on. But I really like these Coca-Cola kits, and this one's got a really sweet motor to it. You can do it up, full out blown, and then it's got all the parts molded in white. Which is cool is it's also got green, transparent green glass, so that's pretty dang neat. But there's your parts explosion. So yeah, definitely be a neat kit to build. Then on the Coca-Cola theme, I got the 41 Plymouth, which is a really neat looking one. It's got the Coke bottles with it and everything. Here's the alternate. You can do it, like red and just like that. Got the bottles. I don't know, I may end up doing it red and yellow. I don't know. Let's see. Who knows? But definitely I'll do the Blackwall. I don't know. I'm just not a white wall person. But then it's got a couple of different motor options, I guess. Says parts are molded in yellow. But it's got two different motors. It's got like a flathead, I think. And then it's got a V8, different exhaust headers, stuff like that. And it's got the transparent green Coke bottles, the different wheels or tires, excuse me. And it's got your chrome wheels, etc. Your chassis. So yeah, it's pretty neat. It's got some cool stuff to it. So I'm definitely gonna have a lot to build during the winter time. And this one I got a while back. I just hadn't done a video on it yet. And I'm glad I got it when I got it because they went really quick at our Ollie's. It was kind of funny. I seen a 50 at the car show that I did a video here. In fact, actually, I think it was the last video I posted. There was a 50th anniversary Camaro down there. Pretty cool. But yeah, so this will be definitely be a neat build. Yeah, it's pre-detailed windows and tail lights. Okay. That sounds cool. Parts molded in black. But yeah, it's a pretty cool looking kit. Quite a bit of parts. Nice decal sheet. Very cool. But yeah, so like I said, I just wanted to show you guys my three new stash ads for model car building. And yeah, I'm not going to get to these probably until the snow starts flying. Who knows? But like I said, I'm definitely digging these Coke kits. I got that Ranchero, and I think that's all I've got, but we'll see. I'm definitely gonna get some more, but like I said, I can't get into spending $12.99 for that Volkswagen. That thing's just, the body's just hideous. If it was a Volkswagen Bug or Beetle, then yeah, I'd get it in a heartbeat. But the way that they have the body shortened on it, I don't like it. But anyway, that's my opinion. But anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it, and thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll see you on the. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.